Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get started with Sprocket Knowledge Hub, a powerful way to organize information, create a structured knowledge base, and make it easier for people to find the content they need across your SharePoint environment. Let's dive in. The Knowledge Hub is designed to turn SharePoint pages into an easy-to-navigate knowledge base. You get a collapsible navigation tree, improved content management tools, page enhancements, and even compliance features for tracking important pages for people to read. Whether you're building a wiki, a documentation library, a help center, or a training hub, the Knowledge Hub gives you structure and clarity. To get started, you'll first need to enable the Knowledge Hub. Here's how. Open your SharePoint site where you want the Knowledge Hub to appear. Click on the Sprocket settings icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Select the Knowledge Hub tab. Toggle on Enable. You'll also need to toggle the left-hand tree navigation on as well. Once you have it all enabled, the Knowledge Hub features will instantly activate on your site. One of the biggest features of the Knowledge Hub is a left-hand tree navigation, a wiki-style sidebar that makes your content easier to explore. Here's what you could do with it. You could drag and drop pages to appear under other headings and group as per categories and subcategories. You can also add headings to group topics. This makes your content feel structured and easy to navigate, no matter how large your knowledge base grows. The Knowledge Hub includes a powerful search filter built directly into the navigation tree. This search does not just look at page titles, it also searches headings, body text, metadata, keywords, and keywords inside pages. If I search for employment, you'll see all of the items that have the title employment, and then you can also select enter and it will expand the search results to show you even more options. This makes it incredibly fast to find specific guides, documents, or topics, especially when you have hundreds of pages. Now let's look at how you can build out your content inside the Knowledge Hub. You could create pages in a few different ways. You could create a brand new page by selecting New Page and creating a blank page. And you can add a title. Once you're happy with the page, you can select Publish. And you'll see now my employment page has been added to the navigation tree at the bottom. You can now drag and drop where this should live under Policies and Procedures. Once you're happy with where this is now located, you can select Save, and this will now save the tree with these changes. One of the quickest ways to build out your Knowledge Hub is by converting existing Word documents. If you already have policies and procedures, guides, or training materials stored as Word files, you can upload them and automatically convert them into a clean, modern SharePoint page. By storing your documents in a SharePoint document library, you can easily convert them using the built-in Sprocket conversion tools. When I select a document, you can see the Convert Document icon appear. From here, you can choose to convert the document into a SharePoint page, convert the document into a PDF. You can decide whether to publish on Convert or preserve any formatting within the Word document. Once you're happy with your settings, you can select Convert Document, and this will convert the document and add it to the navigation tree on the home page of the Knowledge Hub. This makes it quick and effortless to turn existing content into clean, modern SharePoint pages or PDFs. One of the most powerful features inside the Sprocket Knowledge Hub is read lists. Read lists allow you to assign specific pages to people or groups and track whether they've viewed the content. This is especially useful for training materials, onboarding processes, mandatory policies, safety procedures, or any content that requires formal acknowledgement. How read list works. Every page in the Knowledge Hub can be added to the read list. You can think of a read list like an assignment. It lets you choose who needs to read the page, set a deadline, notify them, and even track their progress. To create a read list, select the Read List Admin button in the top right-hand corner and select New Read List. From here, give your read list a name. Select Create. From here, add some pages to your read list for users to acknowledge. You can select the audience type, whether it's a user or a group. You can decide whether to require fresh reads or whether you want to have a due date when these should be read by. You can also decide who the admins are of this read list, so who controls these settings, and whether the status is active or inactive. Once you've configured your read list, select Save. You can now notify users that a read list has been added. Notify users, and you can add a subject and update the text in the email. Once you've updated the template, you can select Send Notification. You can also, in read lists, choose to get a site report of all the read lists and everyone who has read items. As you can see here, demo user has not completed any read list items. You can receive a summary through Excel and also some extra details as an Excel document. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our documentation at Sprocket Docs or reach out to our support team for any assistance. We're here to help.